Soar No More is popular in all Western disciplines, from reiners to cutters to barrel racers.
The Soar No More liniment I like because when I use it on my horse's legs, I tend to have less burning. It works well, but it's not going to end up chewing up their leg and leaving me with more problems. I like the way it's natural, and it's not going to overdo the job, but it still does it thoroughly.
Whether it's the final fence on a course or the last movement in your dressage test, or if you're just on your way back to the barn, you want your horse feeling as fresh after their performance as when you started. Arenus' Soar No More is ready to go to work wherever you go. Our dealers will be happy to help you learn how to use Soar No More products and answer your questions about why this all-purpose liniment line should become an essential part of your daily grooming routine. Join farms and owners across America and the world that are using Soar No More by Arenus and see if you can feel the difference.